Hello guys, welcome to a new video on my channel. In today's video we are going to clean some facades that are painted and that are dirty right now because of algae and small leeches, see like here. But it's going to be a very short video because I'm not going to show you me cleaning the whole house around, just one part I'm going to show. So stay tuned for that. What is that? So guys, as you can see, it is a lot cleaner now. Not perfect, but it's good for 1 or 2 years before painting it again. This part I have still to do, but that I'm not going to show you in this video. So thank you all for watching. It was a pleasure to see you back here on my channel. If you liked it, hit the like button, consider subscribing, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.